Good morning everybody and welcome to Vlogmas day number 2. It is currently 8:05 in the morning on the 2nd of December and it is Sunday. We had a little bit of a lie-in and then I was woken up by these two troublemakers.
Elf down.
Elf's down?
Ice.
Ice?
So the elf was on the shelf and then he went back to the North Pole, tell his Santa what happened and all of that stuff, and then he came back bringing a big lot of snow and put it on the table, the whole table, and started his snow angels.
I don't believe you.
Please, he actually did.
What?
He actually did.
But when I went to bed he was on the shelf. How can I believe you?
Please, Mum. Can I see now? Trust me, Mum. Me and him saw it here with our own eyes.
Alright, let's go and see this elf doing naughty magic.
Yes. Learning.
What a naughty elf!
Hey, put it back on there.
Now we've got a snow body print.
Learning, he's making snow angels. Why no?
White snow, yeah.
Move.
I don't know, Tyler.
Move out the way. There's snow on his armpit.
I think it's magic.
Yeah, I think he can fly. It's flying. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Oh, well, tag.
What did you make?
Train track.
Oh my goodness. Oh, Liam. Who's the naughty elf? The elf or Liam?
Liam. He's doing no angels. There!
Go on then, open it and eat it. Right, do you need help?
Liam's right there. Oh, I'll try it.
He wants to try it himself. Let him try.
Mummy, what does that say?
What does what say, baby? It says, can you do a Christmas dance?
I can. Cool. I'll find a food on it. Okay, honestly, let's control it a little bit.
So I've just sat the boys down for their breakfast. They're watching a Scooby-Doo and eating their breakfast on a nice chilled out Sunday morning. I'm currently just uploading my Vlogmas day number 1 and it is currently uploading. It's taken a little while. I was hoping to have it up by 10. It's 8:30 and got just over halfway to go, so we will see if it'll be up by then, but apart from that I'm just gonna make myself a cup of tea and some breakfast and then see where this is at. So I actually tried this colour change mug yesterday with a hot chocolate and it did not change. Now I looked it up and the feet and the scarf are meant to change colour, so I'm actually going to do it again but with tea this time because I used a hot chocolate last time, so maybe it wasn't hot enough. So let's try it with my tea and see if this actually changes colour. Is it changing? Yeah, it's changing. So the black hearts are turning white. That is so cute. And the feet are changing to red. Oh, that is so cute. And that is actually the cutest mug ever. I take it back. You're a good colour changing mug. I'm sorry for insulting you yesterday. So So it is almost 9 o'clock and we are only on 47%, guys. It is moving, but it's moving really slowly. I just hope that I can get it up on time for you guys. And yeah, fingers crossed you guys will be watching it soon. So it's time to do my advent calendar. And thanks to Liam, he opened all my doors yesterday. But I'm gonna open number 2. And it is a cute little pendant for my necklace that I got in yesterday's one. That is so cute. I'm going to put that on in a second. And Revolution calendar. Day number 2 is... here. Day number 2. It's a makeup brush. That is so cute. I'm not actually doing my makeup today, so that's fine. But that's actually a cute little brush. It's got the Revolution, rose gold. It's a nice brush as well. Ronnie's opening his advent calendar day number 2.
Excited. It's a dairy milk. Thank you, it's my favourite chocolate. Not as good as Famous Grouse.
Not as good as day number 1.
Thank you.
No worries. So I've just made lunch for me and the little boys. We are having chili con carne and rice and tortilla chips, and this has to be one of my favourite lunches ever, and dinners actually. You can have it for both. But honestly, if you've never tried chili con carne with like tortilla chips, like, you need to do that. It's so good. I'm just gonna have my lunch now, and after lunch we are gonna have a Christmas movie afternoon, which I'm super excited for. We've got popcorn, Christmas blankets, the lot. It's gonna be super cozy and super cute, and really looking forward to it. So it is now time for our movie day. So I've got us like a little bowl of popcorn each. We have some gingerbread men, some white chocolate fingers, and yeah, the popcorn, and I've just got them a juice each as well. I'm just going to grab myself a Coke and let's get started. Right, we've got some gingerbread men and some white chocolate fingers.
White chocolate fingers?
Yeah.
I want some. Do we each get a bowl of these?
Yeah. Lily's popcorn.
I get a pink one. Actually green, because that's my favorite colour.
No, that's the biggest one.
Let's start this movie day.
Let's start this movie day. What are you watching, Tyler?
Get ready.
I suggest we put our heads together.
What do you think? For an adventure.
He's a blue.
She's a red. And I'm pink.
And I'm pink.
No.
I is red. Miss the teacher cries. Is there sweet popcorn? Is there sweet popcorn in there?
Jesus, Mary, and Joseph, what a performance.
Popcorn.
Oh, nothing really abysmal. -2 stars.
And that's when I decided I hated Christmas.
So I've just given the boys their dinner after watching our little movies this afternoon. It was so cute. Not really doing a lot today because it's quite a chilled out Sunday. So I've just given the boys their dinner because they're going to have an early night because it's school tomorrow. Ron's getting in a bit later from work, so I'm going to do us a little roast dinner, like traditional Sunday roast dinner. So I'm going to film me cooking that probably, and then later on I'm going to be doing my nails. I'm going to be doing some like Christmas designs and stuff, make myself feel all pretty with nice new nails, and then I might have like a bubble bath or something as well for a chilled out Sunday evening. And then yeah, then I've got loads of editing to do, and I'm gonna probably be up late again tonight because I was up quite late last night editing Vlogmas day 1. And yeah, I think I've just got to get myself into this pattern of daily vlogging because I'm really not used to it. but it's quite exciting. I'm enjoying it so far, and I hope you guys are enjoying it as well. And yeah, I will catch you in a bit, probably when I'm making the dinner. I love cooking family dinners so much. Like, I love getting takeaways and like cheap meals as well, but I genuinely love cooking like family meals. And like every roast dinner on the lead up to like Christmas is like a practice run for Christmas, isn't it? So like every time I try and get the potatoes that little bit more fluffy and crispy, and like the lead up to Christmas is an exciting time for roast dinners. I love it. The eggs I'm using are actually from like my nan's chickens. So my nan keeps chickens. I think I might take the boys again soon to the allotment and see the chickens. She's got loads of chickens. So like, let me know if you want to see me go there. So no, I'm just making my Yorkshire pudding batter. And I'm doing a roast chicken, but I'm just doing like roast chicken breasts. I'm not actually doing like a whole bird. It's only me and Ron. So I'm doing like roast chicken breasts. I'm going to do stuffing, Yorkshire puddings, roast potatoes, and probably like some, no, maybe like broccoli and cauliflower for veg. Yeah, let me know what you guys have with your roast dinners, because I feel like every roast dinner is like different for every family. I feel like every family has like a different roast dinner, so yeah, let me know what you guys eat, because I would love to know. Does she look better than I can? It's a big black sky over my town. I know where you're at, and that she's around. Yeah, I know it's stupid, I just gotta see it for myself. I'm in the corner watching you kiss her. Oh, oh, oh. And I'm right over here, why can't you see me? Oh, oh, oh. I'm giving it my all, but I'm not the guy you're taking home. Ooh, I keep dancing on my own. That's what I call cooking karaoke. That is my tasty roast dinner completely made, and yeah, just gonna eat this now. So all of a sudden after dinner it got very late very quickly. I wasn't able to do my nails or anything, so I'm literally gonna start editing. I've literally got some Terry's chocolate orange pieces to keep me company. I need to start editing this vlog right now so that I have it up in time for tomorrow. I'm probably going to get my nails done tomorrow, and yeah, I didn't really get a lot done today, guys. Absolutely gutted. Nothing really Christmassy apart from watching the Christmas movie with the boys. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to do my nails, have like a Christmassy bubble bath, and yeah, I'm gonna try and find some extra fun things to do tomorrow. So hopefully I will see you in tomorrow's vlog, guys. Take care. See you later.